Good morning, everybody. We are here. It is cold outside. It is Christmas break. Currently 26 degrees and cloudy outside. What is going on, everybody? Or, well, I guess the 5 people who are willing to hang out during Christmas break, right? We got Frank in the chat. What's going on, Frank? Frank, Pudgy, CD Wit, John J, J-Bones, man. What's going on, John J? Nick F, good morning to you. 1776 and MK Ultra Patient. How is everybody doing today? Let's check the market out real quick. Ooh, you want to see a new hoodie? Check this hoodie out. Oh, yeah. Looking good. What's going on? 1776. Rozzy in the house, baby. What's going on, Rozzy? We got AMC in the top left, sitting down 7.26% today. The declines never stop declining. My goodness. Shiba Inu coin. Why is this? This seems to be... Okay, we'll leave it there. That seemed to be cut off a little bit. AMC sitting at $4.08, man. $4.08. Shiba Inu coin sitting at $8.22 right now. No action whatsoever. GameStop 19.09. Terra Luna Classic 17.4. Jumping up nicely, but coming down to retest some of these lows from the early morning highs. The Nasdaq down another percent today. My goodness, the declines will never stop. GameStop 19.09. Build Therapeutics 16.10. AMC 4.08. Golly bump. Ethereum sitting at 12.10. Shiba 8.22. Dogecoin 7.4 cents. Bitcoin $16,769. Sundial sitting at 2.11. Mullen Auto 22.24. Down 5% on the day. CEI $2.54. The SPY 382.54. BBIG 53 cents. Highcroft Mining 52 cents. Netflix sitting at 289. Terra Luna Classic 17.4. QQQ 264. The losses are terrible. And Ape, my goodness, Ape sitting up 45. Nope, not 45%. That was a glitch. Ape sitting at $1.86 right now, up 7% on the day. My gosh, Ape higher, AMC lower. They're theoretically going to be reaching the same price when they merge. Everybody who thinks it's a good idea is obviously wrong. It's a bad idea, but nonetheless, it is the idea that seems like is going to happen. So we're going to watch Bitcoin down at the bottom left right now. Watch that play out there. Overall market seems to be negative today. Even though we got a few gainers, the overall market and the overall sentiment seems to be on the decline. Let's see. Who got paid in the Discord? Matthew, you talking Terra Luna Classic? What are you talking? I made a comment on the LUNC video you posted. Happy Tuesday. What is going on, Matthew? Patrick! Frank is first. I almost said Frank is Frank. Frank is first. Nice. Patrick, thank you very much for that super chat. And a little authorized hydration on behalf of Frank right there. From Pat. Patman, thank you Patman, it's like Batman. Patman, thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely loving it. Simonino, yo, Cladinho, Brozinho. Morning, everybody. What's going on? Simonino, how you doing? Did you clean the snow? Oh, yes. Rozzy, the snow is clean. The driveway is fresh. The front walk is fresh. We we got a lot of, you know what? We didn't get a lot of snow, but it was freezing cold. And all the snow has been taken care of now. So snow is gone. Live your Miami life to the fullest, man. Because let me tell you right now, you do not want the snow. My goodness, you do not want the snow. Now they're acting like, what happened? I can't believe the rebels scammed us. Yeah, Matthew, look, dude, I didn't actually know that the Terra Rebels were going to scam people and basically not develop anything, but just pay Discord moderators. I did not see that one coming. But I did think that they would be developing, and it would just be an expensive development. But yeah, dude, I don't know. I don't know. Look, if they want to pay me $150,000 to do videos for the next 2 months, like we're paying them to apparently develop a wallet that we already have, I'll accept it if everybody is cool. If everybody says, yeah, dude, keep making videos, we'll just pay you $150,000 for the next 2 months worth of videos. Gladly, man. Gladly. I'm going to do it anyway, but gladly I will accept $150,000 over the next 2 months. Just know that that's what you're paying for. Like, as long as you know what you're paying for, man, I can't. People buy weird stuff all the time. People buy stuff all the time that I disagree with. But hey, if you want to pay me, I might disagree with it as a Terra Luna Classic community standpoint, but shoot, man, it'll be at least better because you know what you're getting for it, as opposed to not knowing what you're getting for it and still paying out 150 grand for 2 months. Pudgy, good morning to you, man. Raptor, what's going on, Raptor? How is Tesla doing? Very good question. I have no idea how Tesla's doing today. Let's see what Tesla's got going on this beautiful Tuesday. My gosh, dude. Tesla. Simon, man, you're saying Tesla $100 by next month. Tesla is probably going to be testing $100 this month. Tesla down 9% today. I'm going to tell you what. Gosh, look. I don't know what side of the room you sit on, right? I really don't care what side of the room you sit on. But I will say this. The one side of the room that hates Elon Musk, that is really stupid to just have a massive sell-off in Tesla because you hate Elon Musk driving the price lower. It does not make sense. Elon Musk is a very smart guy. Elon Musk is a very hardworking guy. Elon Musk is creating things that other people would never be able to create. If you're going to give us a massive discount on Tesla, I will accept a massive discount on Tesla. To me, watching Tesla go down the way we're seeing it go down right now makes no sense whatsoever. This is a weekly chart, guys. We have given up gains all the way back to 2020. If we break through this major level at $100 per share now, we could absolutely be testing 66. Look, this is the next little level of support, $90. Below that, absolutely testing $68, $70 per share. Below that, we could be touching $25 a share for a company like Tesla. It's not a company like, AMC that's a short squeeze. It's not some farmy. It's not even a cryptocurrency for that matter. You're talking about one of the largest companies in the world, potentially trading at one of the greatest discounts in the world because the one side of the room doesn't like the guy that runs the company. Oh my goodness. So yeah, Tesla's sitting down at $112.40 right now, down almost 9% on the day. Incredible to see that happen. You know what? Can we add? I wonder if we could just add Tesla to. I like watching. No, I'm not gonna add it to the watch list. I like looking at Tesla on a bigger screen there. So we'll keep that. We'll keep that over in the stocks, and we'll flop back to the big screen when necessary. Libros Rebels Fund. Yes, Patrick, man. Thank you very much for the super chat. Loving it. We got a Rebels Fund going. We're going to get 150 grand for 2 months worth of videos. Let's make it happen. Oh, yes. Yo, I'm increasing my position in LUNC because of this volatility. Funyuns, not Bob. Very good, man. Just be careful with the volatility. Absolutely know that Terra Luna Classic can come back down in value. It's rising very quickly, and the more volatile to the upside, the more volatile it could absolutely be to the downside. Here's the comment. I did not see it. You said here's the comment, but Matthew, I don't see it. So if you're copying and pasting, it did not show up yet. Cover goals sold. MPW January 20th, $13 strike, earned $11.37 each. Very nice, Frank. AMC January 13th, $5.50 strike, earned $14.32 each. Very nice. Other AMC shares on standby. I like it. Frank, I'm gonna tell you this, dude. With those covered calls, you could probably get a little dangerous with those covered calls on AMC. I think as this reverse split gets closer and closer and this merging between the two, AMC and APE, we're going to see APE go up to meet AMC in the middle. So if with AMC trading at $4 and APE trading at like $1.80 right now, I don't think it would be impossible to see a $3 meetup. $3 range meetup. So honestly, dude, don't take my advice on it, but I would imagine we're going to see these two merge somewhere in the middle or meet up somewhere in between. Right there in the middle would be the $3 meetup area between the $2 and the $4 right here. But so it doesn't have to be exactly $3, but yeah, dude, I think we're going to see some sort of a convergence between these two with APE rising and an AMC falling. Gosh, and I got a nose here that's going to be messing with me for the rest of the stream. That's a fact. Still holding a Bitcoin short from Friday. Bitcoin is looking at tad weak here. That it is, old rounder. That it is, man. Bitcoin, hasn't done too much over the last couple of days, okay? if you look at it, it's been relatively stagnant in this area for a week now. But obvious that it hasn't been able to break up through this $17,000 resistance. So I do believe we will be testing the $16,000 support again. But nonetheless, man, doesn't look like it's been able to break up through 17,000. Today could be a day we start to see a little bit of a decline, but yeah, I would say showing weakness in the fact that it's not necessarily able to break up. It's been maintaining levels pretty well, but if it can't break up through, man, you got no bullish sentiment there to push it higher. So I do agree with you. Let's see where we. Oh, there we go. Good morning, Dustin. How you doing? Morning, bros. What's going on, Sky Stonefire? What's up, bros? J Bones. Clear Road needs to ship. Rozzy, I do not. Come on, man. Still looking good. Looking fresh, Rozzy. I lost your touch. Wayne Grow on what, man? Lost the touch on what? 1 penny versus 1 penny. A VV Zen. Something. You saying Zen? Is it 1 penny? The Stoner says. Facts on nose hairs. I'm telling you, dude, you got to get rid of those nose hairs because when they start poking things, it is not good. Thoughts on the SPY? So overall, the SPY, the NASDAQ, the Dow Jones, I am still bearish on the overall sentiment. So I still think that we're going to be retesting some lows. This is a daily graph on the SPY, and it seems to have bounced off this little level of support here at about 375, currently sitting at 382. Similar action on the NASDAQ, potentially bouncing off this level of support right here and sitting at 365 after bouncing off 360, 362. If you're looking at the SPY, I do believe that this is not the bottom, that we will be retesting some of these lows, and that the economy is not in a good enough position yet that we begin to rise higher. So I still think that whether or not we retest resistance and support and resistance and support, I still think that we curl back down and have a bearish sentiment overall until the economy begins to boom again. And I actually think that that might take a lot longer than people expect. If we've got high interest rates and expensive money for a very long time, I absolutely think that we could see stagnant prices or subdued prices for a very long time as well. So that's my thoughts on the SPY right now, man. I'm not necessarily bullish, even though these prices look pretty good. I'm still bearish over the short term. Let's see. Libro with premiums. I'm artificially moving my cost basis lower to play more aggressively. Very nice, Frank. Dang it, man. This dude just bringing in some income to average down. Loving it. Claybro nose hair and peach trimmer fun. The nose hair, yes, dude. I prefer to just grab it and rip it out of my nose. But I'm not going to sit here and do that while we're on live stream because that might be weird for some of you guys. But thank you very much, Patrick, for the nose hair and peach fun trimmer fund. Absolutely loving it. And it is absolutely necessary, man. Absolutely necessary on that. PV Zen is the Zen on the Ethereum. Gotcha, Stoner. Gotcha. So looking at that there on the, what is that, Ethereum or wrapped Ethereum blockchain there. Good morning to all my fellow bros. Just got off the phone with Dark Bro, and his internet is out, so he won't be in the live this morning. Hoping to be back up this afternoon. There will be no live stream this afternoon. No live stream this afternoon. Gonna go over the families and open Christmas presents and have Christmas dinner, since not everybody can get together on Christmas Day. So we'll be doing that this afternoon. No afternoon live stream, just in case you guys do go to look for it and it doesn't show up. I will not be shadow banned this afternoon. I will just not be live streaming this afternoon. King, boom, Sky Stonefire, loving it. Pet, is that a booty shaver? No. That is the peach shaver. That is the peach shaver. Outdoor smile. Booty show. Oh my gosh. Outdoor smile getting wild this morning. Loving it though. Guys, did you see? I don't know if you guys saw this or not. I don't know if I showed you guys. Did you see my new display case? Alright, well, I'm going to have to do something with that. That's not looking too good there. Never mind. Not moving that. Oh, boy. Not moving that right now. Let's see. Pet is no, it is not. Okay, so he'll be back tomorrow, hopefully. Yes, he will. You gotta trim those noses. You gotta trim those noses. You gotta trim those noses there. They itch. Facts. 1776. They do, man. And it is much worse when you are on live stream and they're messing with you, man. Something happened with the XRP Ripple versus SEC case. Skystonify. So I'm not 100% sure, man. So I did try looking into that. I saw some news articles that things were actually looking good for Ripple, not for the SEC. And I tried to look into it a little bit further, but it was still everything about the Hinman files and those emails with, I forget the guy's first name, but Hinman and all of the stuff that was taking place there. So I didn't necessarily see any new information that I hadn't seen before, which was strange because I did see the article saying that, well, this is good news for Ripple. But then it was like the same stuff that I've been seeing for the last month, so I'm not 100% sure. Missed a good old day. Talking AMC apes hitting new highs, dark pool theories. Yeah, Wayne Grow, man. I'm not necessarily one for all of the dark pool theories, but I am definitely one for stocks hitting new highs, AMC running higher, the excitement of a bull market, the excitement of a rally. That part I really do like. This bear market, dude. This bear market is brutal for everybody. Chris, thank you for the super chat. Chris says, snow work got me all messed up. Tired, but not tired. Had Monday off, but still worked. Oh my gosh. Now off on Tuesday, making me late to the chat. Oh my goodness. Chris, dude, I imagine with all of the salt that you probably put out and all of the snow and the wind that blew the snow right back onto the path that you just cleared, I imagine it was a very, very difficult few days for you, man. So I'm glad you pushed through. I'm glad you got the day off today. But, being late is better than not showing up at all. So, Chris, man, appreciate you showing up to the live stream like that. Loving it right now, man. And I gotta double check that we did have monetization on here. So when you guys came in, you got an ad. I gotta make sure that was going through. Golly. All right, we're just gonna, if we can get that. Oh, yeah. All right, we're good to go. Might have just saved the day on that one there. I don't know. I think I got it. Let's see. Crit. Oh, wait. Yeah, wait. Everybody is unlocked, right? Everybody's good to go. Let's see. Chris. Yeah, me too. Been shoveling more than working for pay. That, my gosh. Skystonify. I'm telling you, dude. I'm telling you. It is. We haven't had a ton of snow. But the fact that it was so stinking windy and everything was getting blown around, it was almost like useless to go out and shovel a path with how cold it was. The snow wasn't packing down, so as soon as you would move it, it would just move it right back, man. 165 watch Paul snowplow right now. Dude, Paul absolutely killing it. People love the snowplow. People love to see the snow blowing as opposed to the stocks and crypto going lower, man. Let's see. Paul is working on snow on live stream right now. Yeah, that he is, man. I did not actually know that he was live at the moment, but I have seen Paul killing it over the last few days. I think effective bandwagon. Very possible, man. Who knows? I actually have no idea who did it. I can't tell. I can't tell who did any of that stuff. Simon Igno, the bad ones in yo. I think I got that right. I actually have no idea. Way too many words combined into the same thing there. But I'm not exactly sure. Simonini, gonna get the bad ones, Enino. Yes, J-Bones, man. Now I got it. Let's see. Wait, what? Finkel is Einhorn. Einhorn is Finkel. Yeah, somebody give me some gum, man. I definitely need some gum on that one. Clay, how high do you see Bitcoin getting to in the near future? So the music study, I don't know what your definition of the near future is, but I actually am bearish on Bitcoin in my definition of the near future. So until things begin to really turn around in the economy, until things really begin to turn around with like interest rates and inflation, and this potential talk about all of the regulation and Sherrod Brown potentially wanting to ban cryptocurrency altogether, I do see that the cryptocurrency prices are going to be going lower. Now, if your near term future is like 5 years, okay, and we get another bull run, I don't think that it's impossible to test 100,000 on Bitcoin during the next bull run. If you look at the previous cycles, Bitcoin tested 1,000, came back down. Bitcoin tested 17, 18, 19,000, came back down to 3. Bitcoin tested 70,000, came back down, well, to 15, right? But I still think we're going to go lower. So it could come back down to 5 to 10,000. And then the next time it runs up, I do not see why it wouldn't be able to test 100,000 or even further. 100,000 will be significant, right? Because it's a nice round number, dude. People sitting on 10 Bitcoin, they're going to have 1 million. People that bought a Bitcoin, they're going to have 100 grand. There's a lot you kind of have to understand about 100,000 being nice, flat, round, significant number. And that could be bad news, right, for a breakout above. I think that we're not going to break it just immediately after testing it. But if we do end up breaking that, I don't think that it would be impossible to run to 110, 120, 140, 150, and so on. Now, do we get to 250,000 during the next bull market? Not 100% convinced that Bitcoin would run to $250,000 during the next bull market, but I do see it testing that 100,000 level. Hey, people say in the time of SBF, getting out of jail is some kind of distraction. At this point, I'm fully convinced that we're in the Truman Show situation, so wouldn't be surprised. Your thoughts? Yeah, Chris, so there's a lot going on, man. There's a lot going on. I did an article that I didn't even know was happening until I obviously read it a couple days ago, that Wells Fargo, okay, one of the most trusted banks in the United States, was misusing customers' funds the same exact way that Sam Bankman-Fried was, to the tune of $3.7 billion. Dude, if you look at FTX, that was only $8 billion. One of the greatest banks in the country was ripping people off for $4 billion. Nobody wants to talk about it. Nobody wants to point that out. Nobody wants to throw a little wrench in the financial sector. It's the crypto sector they want to take down. So I do think, man, that there's probably a lot going on with let's just make Sam Bankman-Fried the story, as opposed to everything else that is corrupt and everything else that potentially Sam Bankman-Fried was doing, right? I think that Sam was probably laundering some money for some very high up people. I think that Sam Bankman-Fried was not in this alone. I think that he may have been used for a lot of what he did. And that's the kind of stories and that's the kind of stuff that they don't want to come out. So they got to twist it. They got to play their story out the way that they want to play it out, man. But I do agree with you. Truman Show to a certain degree, yes. I don't think that I don't think we're living in some sort of like a capsule or a bubble or anything. I do think that the sky is the sky, but I think with all of the media and everything that, including me, right? If you listen to me and I'm only ever talking about stocks and crypto, you might start to believe that stocks and crypto are the only things that are out there. There's a lot of other things out in this world to experience and discover and things like that, man. But when you only feed yourself a certain viewpoint, or you only feed yourself a certain story, or you only feed yourself what they want you to be fed, then yeah, man, that could have the Truman Show effect, absolutely. Let's see. Mr. Diamond, I thought Shiba Vecna when he lost his wrench, maybe, or his Wenger Vecna, nobody knows. What's your opinion on Crow Coin? Dustin, so I like Crypto.com exchange. I do expect Crypto.com to survive the bear market. Of course, that's not guaranteed, okay? So if it does, I think that it could absolutely grow and could absolutely do well once the next bull market returns. So that's all of these exchange coins. They could get hit very hard during this bear market, but the true test is going to be what happens when the bull market returns, and I think that they'll be doing very well. Dude, Shiba dropping from 820 down to 814 as Bitcoin drops down to 16,750 here. We got some red lines coming on the chart right now, or purple lines, depending on what program you're looking at. But yeah, man, nonetheless, looks like a very tough afternoon so far for cryptocurrency and stocks. Let's see. Accumulate and collect yield is my focus during this bear market. Lonnie, a very strong focus, man. Just messing around. Mitch, YouTube been messed up. That it has been. When do you think AMC and Ape merge? Thanks, bro. Well, Gregory, I don't exactly know when that shareholder meeting is going to be. We're getting a little bit of a fall off here, man. Not huge, okay, guys. It's not huge. Bitcoin coming from 16,760 to 16,730. As Shiba Inu coin falling as well, 812 points currently. We're gonna watch this crypto here to see if it ends up falling off even further. Yo, bro, what's going on, forefathers? How you doing, man? No worries. I'm here today. Hope you all had a great holiday. Keith, man, we were worried. We are glad you're here, Keith. Glad to have you, man. Yeah, we're messing around. Even some of the mods were banned by YouTube for no reason. That they were, man, and I have no idea why. I have serious doubts that SBF ever even went to Fox Hill prison. Seems like theatrics to me, Sky Stonify. Yeah. I mean, dude, I wasn't there, and honestly, man, I really don't trust anything that these people are telling me anywhere these days, so I don't know. Unless I experienced it myself or saw myself, it is very hard to believe. I fixed it last week, Mitch. Hopefully I did, right? Hopefully everybody that was banned is no longer banned. We can actually test that and see right now. Sky is not Sky. Sky is only Sky Stonify. Yes, that is the real Sky. Is Stonify. Is the Sky. All right, let's actually see if it's still looking good. So we're coming out here. We're going to go to settings, and then we're going to go to community. Yes, we're on community right now. Still, nobody is hidden right now. Nobody is hidden from the channel. That is looking good. At least that still seems to be working at the moment. We're going to come back out here in the live stream. All right, good. My gosh, dude, this nose hair is going to be driving me crazy all day today. I know it is. We got to pull this bad boy out. Michael, thank you very much for the super chat. We got Michael saying, we need the king fist bump in the chat, baby. Fist bump. Fist, bump, fist, bump, fist, bump. Thank you very much, Michael, for the fist bump. Loving it right now. The most consistent player in the game, ladies and gentlemen. Michael with the fist bump. Let's see where we at. What are your thoughts on OpenDAO SOS coin? And do you think it will go up much? So, Nicholas, I actually don't know much about OpenDAO or SOS coin, okay? It's very, very difficult for me to stay up to date on everything. And clearly I spent a lot more time looking at stuff about Shiba Inu coin, Terra Luna Classic, Bitcoin, Ethereum, the larger names that are out there. Let's see if I can get coin market cap. I certainly do have an internet connection right now, so I have no idea what you're talking about. SOS. Is it going to show up? SOS coin. OpenDAO SOS. Gotcha. Right here, we are looking at OpenDAO SOS up 20% today. Very nice gain, actually, sitting at a $19 million market cap. Still a very low market cap. One of the things I like is that it is Certic audited, so that is a good sign when you got that Certic audit stamp right there. All time, okay, still very, very, very low. It is a relatively new coin, in the sense that it came out at the end of 2021 during that bull market and has done nothing but come down since. So it is 5 zeros and now has 6 zeros. It has lost roughly 90, almost 90, gosh, what is that? Like 97% of its value. So I'm not 100% convinced, man. These newer coins that came out at the end of 2021 during that bull market rally, I'm not 100% convinced that they will survive the bear market. So knowing that this coin has lost 95+%, we'll say that, 95+% of its value, I think that it's going to be a very difficult situation to survive the bull market. Nonetheless, if you want to trade it and take advantage of some volatility like this, 20% gain, it's not hard to see that type of volatility when the market cap is only $20 million. So seemingly, if it's a 20% gain today, this was probably trading at roughly $16 million yesterday, the market cap, and is up to 20 million, 19 million today. So it's not that hard to move these market caps around and see some pretty strong gains, which is what you're seeing today. I'm still skeptical about this coin. I still think it's a very low coin. but nonetheless, it's a very volatile coin. So you could absolutely see some quick gains in that one. I want to think Crow Coin will make a big pump. Just me. If I had to guess, during the next bull market, when people begin to flock back to the cryptocurrency space, signups, new users, and volume is extremely low right now. Okay? Very, very low. Basically, nobody signing up for the first time to Webull, Crypto.com, KuCoin, Binance. Trust me, affiliate links are basically useless at this moment. I don't know why everybody should want to buy and accumulate during the bear market, but nonetheless, basically nobody's signing up. And if they're unable to increase business, well, the price of the coin shouldn't really go up. So until they start increasing their business, I would imagine you're going to see the price remain steady or even go down. So during this bear market, I think that it's going to be very difficult to see some price action to the upside on any exchange coin. Next bull market, however, that's when things look good. Samantha Love 7, what's going on, Samantha? How you doing today? So we're going to make Bluetooth. Bluetooth might be better than YouTube. Pudgy might be on to something there. Care for J-Bones. That symbol is on the FBI. It might be, man. I have no idea what symbol it is, but it might be on a watch list. You guys better be careful with that. Bluetooth. Oh, gosh. Yes, Pudgy. Or not Pudgy. Outdoor Smile. That sounds like a good one as well. Good point, Sky. Careful. Oh, there. Yeah, with the FBI thing. My last comment, or if they say something that could result in YouTube taking action against Claybro's channel. Yes. If I see people attacking each other in the chat, they get a warning and the comments removed. Second time, timeout. They continue. I start looking at that ban hammer, baby. It's a respectful channel. Nonsense. Be gone, baby. Be gone. Yeah, Frank is right on that one, man. Nonsense. Be gone. Throw political parties out the window. It's now government, corporations, and media versus the people. And the crazy thing is, man, that, you know, you are right to a certain degree. I will say that. But they have done. They know this, okay? They know this. And I know this, right? There's people in here, and you guys, wow, might be surprised. There's people in here, they would swing different ways, okay? However, we are still together. We can still agree. We can still move forward and make progress. And they know that a people united, there's no way they'd be able to stand against this or even have control. However, if we start to argue, if they start to create some division, if they start to create factions among us, if they pull us apart, they can absolutely maintain that control, which is exactly what they do. So, yes, dude, versus the people, but unfortunately, even the people are not yet united. Let's see. You make the world better, Clay, bro. Your streams are of legend. Stoner says, man, I love it. Stoner says, did you get your shirts? Did you get shirts? If not, dude, you'd probably be getting them today, right? I sent those out. I sent them out Thursday, dude, so hopefully you got those. I'm doing good at the day off because I had to work on Christmas. Miss you on TikTok. Samantha Love. Yes, well, I'm sorry that you had to work on Christmas. That is very difficult. I know a lot of people in here had to work on Christmas, but nonetheless, you got the day off today. Loving it. Hopefully you and your family had a great Christmas regardless. And hey, if you're celebrating on Monday, Tuesday, you're allowed to do that as well. All right, you can choose the day to celebrate. Frank's our security guy. That he is, man. LUNC pumping big time. Fairground. Terra Luna Classic is looking excellent, man. Terra Luna Classic, 17.6 right now. Rolling up. It is up almost 50% on the week. Terra Luna Classic was at 12,000 something points per coin just a few days ago. Go to the daily chart here. 12,175. Up to over 18,000 today. Currently sitting at 17.6. Terra Luna Classic adding 6,000 points per coin and on that 12,000 point per coin level in a little over a week here, looking very strong. Now, it is at these levels of resistance, so it might not be so easy just to break back up and start to test these lines again. It might take some action to get up there. But nonetheless, dude, a phenomenal performance over the last week, running up over 50%. That is looking very good for Terra Luna Classic right now. Basically on the idea that the community is being supported by the validators now. Definitely posted tweet of them. Nice. Stoner says, good deal, man. The people are saying, yeah, Wayne Grow. And that's like the hardest part, man. That's the hardest part. Not only are people silenced, but people are being driven apart from other people as well. And I completely get it, man. And I completely get it, because when all you see all day long, if you go out on Twitter right now, it doesn't matter who you are and what your kind of beliefs are, you're going to see the hate. You're going to want to hate your brother and sister because of the nonsense that gets shown on a daily basis and how extreme people on the internet are. I don't know. I feel like even in real life, I do have some very strong beliefs, right? But people on the internet, man, they are unafraid to just express the most extreme opinions. And more often than not, it leads to hate and separation as opposed to unity and love. LUNC is the biggest community as far as I'm concerned. Yeah, right now, Fairground. I don't know if it's necessarily the biggest, right? I do believe Shiba Inu coin has a bigger one. Bitcoin and Ethereum, they've got some big ones as well. But Terra Luna Classic's got one of the loudest and one of the most active at the moment. You are right on that for sure, dude. Morning, Samantha Love. Heck yeah. Thanks. That's what I was thinking. Just gonna cite them on the same with Terra Luna and Shiba Inu. Just keep topping them off every week. And what are your thoughts on Leverify? As I see, it's a new coin this year. Nicholas, Leverify, I have not seen. And always watching every video you put out each day. Boom, Nicholas. I love it, man. Because the guys like you, dude, we're going to reach 1 million subscribers in 2023. I know we're going to do it. That is the goal. That is the goal, guys. 1 million in 2023. And if 50 people in here want to make it happen, we can absolutely make it happen. But Leverify. Never even heard of Leverify. Leverify. What is this, like leveraged finance or something? Down a little bit today. Ramp DeFi, didn't know what that was, been rebranded into Leverify. So another very small market cap coin, man. You're looking, this is interesting actually. Leverify is pretty interesting here. If you look at Leverify, you can see that the market cap is roughly $24 million and volume is down, but is doing $14 million over the last 24 hours. This is a heavily traded coin. A very heavily traded coin for having such a small market cap. Almost doing the same in volume as its market cap every day. Centralized exchange volume far outweighing decentralized exchange volume. Look at this here, man. 15 million on centralized exchanges, only $59 on decentralized exchanges. I unfortunately do not know anything about this coin or what they do. I don't see any audits over here. But nonetheless, man, I like the volume compared to the market cap. It is heavily traded. But being such a new coin, dude, having come out in July of this year, I don't know. I have no idea what these guys are doing and what their project is or how they're going to be able to hold up during this bear market. It's been a tough one so far, but they don't seem to have died out. So, and they still got a decent market cap for being a brand new coin. Greetings all. What's going on, Alexis? How you doing? Great show. Thank you, Taylor. Appreciate that. People of the Internet is a hilarious channel. I actually have not seen that channel. I blame Twitter and TikTok culture melting the brains of the youth. Yeah, to a certain degree. Look, dude, I never blame anybody else other than myself for my circumstances and what I got going on in my life. I truly feel that I am 100% in control of my decisions and where I'm at. But other people, man, I know that if they've got that victim mentality and if they don't have kind of like that victor mentality, I guess for lack of a better term there, if they don't have that mindset that they can overcome anything, I 100% know that TikTok, Twitter, it can fill your mind with hate. It can fill your mind with just mindless content and a desire for more mindless content. And I agree with that, man. I agree with that. But like myself, I don't put myself in that category because I truly believe that I do have control over my circumstances and over my at least ability to react to the circumstances that I'm in. Don't forget to hit the like button and join the Discord. Absolutely. Yes, totally agree with why people are so negative on crypto. You know what? If you are going to join the Discord, I know that link in the description is probably expired, so. If you guys do want to join the Discord, we will pin that right there and do that. Sameninho! Thank you very much for the... Oh, yeah, we're big. For the salt shake, you pour that salt out, man. Because it tastes so good, you gotta... Every time it gets in your eyes. 18 months, baby. Looking good on that one, Simon. 18 months of bro. Perfect. Actually, I haven't seen Ripple today, Fairgrounds. What's Ripple doing today? I know Ripple has had some decent articles written about it, but I have not looked at Ripple over the last, I think, week. 36 cents. All right, so it's still sitting in that range that it's been at. Ripple with an $18.5 billion market cap, not $1 million market cap, $1 billion market cap. Ripple absolutely destroying. Well, listen, Ripple will be destroying the global financial industry and blazing a path forward if the SEC doesn't screw things up. Ripple at 36 cents, guys, is cheap, okay? Think about this as being one of the most revolutionary financial services companies in the world with an $18 billion market cap. You know, you're talking major banks, dude, should be trading in the hundreds, if not closer to $1 trillion market cap. And it is being suppressed by this SEC lawsuit. So I do think that Ripple could absolutely spike up and see some major gains. But I know that the SEC, man, I know the SEC is going to be given in trouble. The SEC wants their cut. That's all they want, man. They want to be able to control, and they want their cut. So that's what I'm looking at for Ripple. Ripple, not a bad coin at all, but Ripple heavily dependent on the outcome of the SEC lawsuit. Got to be positive in the crypto and market. It will help everyone. Fairground, I agree with you, man. Thanks. We'll have to wait for the next bull run. We'll just keep buying on these down days and hope for something good to run. Nicholas, absolutely, man. And look, if these coins that you're talking about, this SOS and Leverify and things like that, if they survive the bear market, I think that they'll run, man. If people know about them during the bull market, I think that they'll run. Congrats on the 18 months. Heck yeah. Have you covered AMC Ortex? DM Ohio. I have not covered AMC Ortex data. I do not have Ortex data. But nonetheless, the latest short interest numbers that I have seen, still 20%, like 19.67% short interest is the last I have seen. Man, Bitcoin getting a little sell-off there, huh? It's a decent red candle. My gosh. Hitting the overall market, too. Got a big red candle posted on Terra Luna Classic. Big red candle coming over here on Shiba Inu coin. That red candle's growing. Red candle's growing. Dogecoin. Big red candle on Dogecoin as well. Coming down on Ethereum right now. Bitcoin continue to drop off. What do we got going on in the crypto space right now? Man, we are posting some giant red candles here. What is going on with all of this action to the downside? Crazy to see such a large red candle just in a very brief period of time. It's a 1 minute candle, guys, going from $100 candle plus on Bitcoin right there and falling over to the rest of the cryptocurrency market with Shiba getting hit, Dogecoin getting hit, Ethereum getting hit, even Terra Luna Classic getting hit. So we got to keep our eyes on what's happening with Bitcoin right here. Might be a pretty tough afternoon. Chris, thank you very much for the super chat. Chris says, just realized in less than a week, we'll be here to make 2023 the best year ever. Time flies when you're not making any money. Dude, time flies when you're losing money, man. And trust me when I tell you, time is soaring on by right now. Chris is definitely right on that one. And yes, dude, less than a week, we will be making 2023 the best year ever. And I cannot wait for you guys to call me out in the comments when I still say 2022, because it is a habit right now. And in some of the videos, I almost know that I'm going to say, here to make 2022 the best year ever. And then that'll probably happen through February. And you guys are going to be like, nope, 2023, idiot, can't go back in time. And I'm going to be like, darn it, I knew I said something wrong. So, yes, dude, we're going to be making 2023 the best year ever soon. Nick Ortex, where are you? We do need Nick Ortex, man. Come back. Outdoor Smile. Thank you very much for the super chat. It's nice to know that you have awesome parents, Clay. I can tell you that you've had a very good upbringing. Stay you, bro. Boom. I'm going to tell them you said that, Outdoor Smile. If they're listening right now, shout out to you, Mom. Shout out to you, Dad. But I'm going to tell them you said that, Outdoor Smile, because that'll make their Christmas, dude. That'll make their 2022 the best year ever. TikTok is fun. Hey, bro, are you doing 2 giveaways since you're not doing an afternoon live? Interesting. I might just do... I don't know if we should do 2 or just 1 because... No, I still do have a couple large shirts and a couple mediums that we could do. Yeah, we could. Pudge, what do you guys want to do? Let me know if you want to do 2 or 1. We could do 1 or 2 because we do have a handful of shirts left. Not a ton, but we do have a handful of shirts left. You want to hear Pika Power? What is going on, Pika? Scott Stonify. Boom! With a king mustache, baby. Scott Stonify, 3 months member chat. Thank you very much for the king mustache. Thank you, Sky Stonify. Thank you very much, Sky Stonify. Loving it, man. Love watching your videos. Hope we all make it. Alex, absolutely, man. We are going to make it, guys. We are going to make it. We literally will be making 2023 the best year ever. We're going to survive this bear market. Gains will come back into play. We're going to have 1 million people strong on the channel. We're gonna be destroying it, guys. We're gonna be destroying it. We're gonna make sure everybody knows about stocks and crypto. Pika Pika. Yes, JB. Hola, Pika. Congrats, Sky Stonify. Heck yeah, 775. Very nice emoji there. Morning. Sky, King, Chris, JB, and Aditi. I hope you all had a good Christmas. Pika, we hope you had a good Christmas. Pika, 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 Pika. Greetings, Clay. Lyle, what's going on? Hey, old rounder. J Bones. I don't even know if she said hi to Clay, man. I don't even know if she said hi to Clay. Oh, my goodness. I don't even know. I think she probably did, though. She probably did. Oh, boy. Let's see here. And no, we keep falling. That we do. John Jay, we are falling right now, and we keep on falling. Bitcoin throwing a big red line on the screen. Shiba Inu coin following Bitcoin. Shiba Inu coin. Dogecoin following Bitcoin. Ethereum following Bitcoin. Throwing some big reds on the screen right now. Even Terra Luna Classic following Bitcoin lower at the moment. Guys, AMC having a very difficult day today. AMC sitting at $4 per share right now. GameStop down to $18.77. AMC is down 9%. GameStop is down 6.5%. The NASDAQ down well over 1% right now. Pure Therapeutics, 16 cents per share. Sundial sitting at $2.07. It is in the red now. Mullen Auto, 22 cents. CEI, $2.50. It's up slightly today, but coming back down this afternoon. SPY down to $3.80. BBIG down to 52 cents. Highcroft sitting at 52 cents. Netflix, $2.86. QQQ down 1.30%. And even Ape, guys, slightly up, knowing that we're most likely going to be merging shares with AMC and Ape here pretty soon, but it is only slightly up, knowing that it should see an increase in value during that merge. So the overall market getting hit very, very hard today. Crypto and stocks, none of it seems to be free at the moment. Hello, Samantha Love. Patrick! Thank you very much for the super chat. Hero 2023, but it says 2022 grace period fund. Yes, man, I'm going to need that fund for at least a 1 month period. I think we might be good by the time we get into February, but I'm telling you right now, January is going to be a tough one. It's always tough, man. I remember in school, you write the date on your paper or whatever. I don't know why they made you write the date on your paper. That didn't make no sense. But nonetheless, I know you write the date on your paper. And hey, January was always difficult to remember to write the new year down. And it's even more difficult when you're saying 2022 15 times a day and 2023 rolls around and all of a sudden you got to change everything up. NASDAQ is down 1% every day. Wow. Unfortunately it is, man. Unfortunately it is. It shouldn't be, but unfortunately it is. Who manages all these funds? Sam Bankman-Fried. Sam Bankman-Fried manages all these funds. It's terrible. Pudgy. It's terrible. Hello, Pig. Alex, what's going on? Hey, are you excited to see Herbert in the playoffs this year? Dude, I am always excited to see a guy named Herbert do anything, dude. Do anything. So, yes, Herbert deserves all of the recognition that Herbert can get. Yeah, anytime you get a guy named Herbert, man, it's just like success in the making, dude. Herbert does actually seem like Herbert seems like he's had a hard upbringing. Hard upbringing for sure. Chris, thank you for the super chat. Chris says, I don't do no grace period. He's going to say it correct or not at all. Oh, no. Oh, no. Dang it, Chris. Chris, well, man, your job is to look out, okay? You've got to keep an eye out. And if I say it wrong, I'm going to have to remake the video. And you're going to have to rewatch the video that I remake. Chris, you are being tasked with the 2023 call-out. You're tasked with the 2023 call-out committee, man. You're going to head that one up, and you're going to be responsible for calling me out anytime I do not say 2023 in 2023. Because I can almost guarantee I'm going to say 2022 at some point. I can almost guarantee it. And then if I hit the... If I do the whole video, I'm not doing the whole video over by the time I realize that I said 2022. Oh, gosh, dude. You got to call me out on it, Chris. I agree. He does deserve all the recognition. That he does, man. Herbert plays for a football team? Herbert plays for a football team, I'm going to assume. A powder blue Herbert indeed. I think he does, man. What do you think about ADA? Okay, so Cardano's definitely going to... See, Cardano I can talk about. Herbert, I have no idea. Cardano is definitely going to survive the bear market, man. I don't know how low it's going to get, but I do know it's going to be higher than where it currently is when the bull market returns. I have no current concerns about Cardano surviving the bear market. Now, if something happens and we get like ridiculously rug pulled or something, like don't come back and clip me saying I am guaranteeing that Cardano survives the bear market. I'm saying I have no current concerns about Cardano surviving the bear market and doing well in the bull market. It's because I currently have no concerns about being rug pulled or scammed by Cardano. I don't know how far it's going to come down. I don't know how far any of these coins are going to come down, man, before the bull market returns. Click! Did you show the card in its new home? Not yet, Pika. I have not shown that yet, but the card is actually not up here, so I'm not going to show it during this one. Oh my gosh, the bobblehead is in the videos. If you guys want to see the bobblehead that Pika sent for Christmas, you guys can absolutely watch the videos and see the bobblehead in that video. But the card does have a very nice new display case that I'm absolutely loving right now. Dude, the card looks sick, man. The card looks sick in that display case. Chris, thank you very much for the super chat. Chris says, New Year's video. Chloe's going to practice and have a cue card not to mess up and mistakenly say, here to make 2024. Dagnabbit. Sorry, Chris. 2023. Dude, if I go 2024, gosh, man, I'm going to have to remember to say that now just to make Chris's entire year better. Chris, if I can remember to accidentally mess up on my first video of 2023, I'm going to do it for you, man. I don't know if I can accidentally remember to mess up, though, by saying 2024 and just completely skipping a year. It'd be much easier to say 2022. Pika with 5 memberships. Guys, grab those 5 green names right now. If you do not have a green name, make sure to enable gift receiving. We got King Mamba with a green name, 775 with a green name, Jay with a green name, CD Wit with a green name, and who's the last one? Transparent Trading with the green name, Pika Power. Throwing out 5 green names right now. I love it. Pika Power, thank you very much for those 5 green names. We got King Mamba, 775, Jay, CD Wit, and Transparent Trading. Loving those green names. Click! If you just say Dagnabbit in a video, I'll be cool. I will try. Chris, I will try to remember that. That is not something that I say very often, so I'll try to remember that. Guys, you know what we're going to do? You know what we're going to do? We're going to do a little giveaway right now. I don't know if we actually have time to do 2 of them, but we're going to do a giveaway, okay? It is still for a medium or large shirt. I still got medium and large shirts to give away, so we're going to be doing one of those right now. Appreciate everybody for being in here, but that's what we're going to do to end the stream right now. And unfortunately, I will not be back during the afternoon live stream. It is... it's going to be canceled. I'm going to go over to the family's house and do Christmas that we weren't able to do on Christmas Day. So, yes, please. Oh, what does it do? Green name? It's just a green name. Makes you a lot easier to see in the chat. You got that little icon next to your name, and it makes you a member of the channel, right? So you got the green name, you got the little icon, and if I ever do like members only chat or something, which we haven't done, you would have access to that. So that's what the green name does, Samantha Love. Guys, but if you want to win that shirt, you know what to do. The rules are, if you live outside the United States, I'm not going to ship it to you, so please pick somebody or allow me to pick somebody else. You can still win and participate. If you do not wear a medium or large shirt, or you do not want a medium or large shirt, you can still participate, and then you can pick somebody in the chat. If you're friends with somebody out there, you can pick them to win the medium or large shirt. I think that's it. So we're gonna play the game. Yes, we're gonna be spamming the chat here in a second, and then we're gonna be picking the winner. And you guys know the deal: medium or large, United States shipping only, and that is it. So if you want to win one. Spam the chat right now, and let's pick ourselves a winner. Let's do it. Let's have some fun, guys. Spam that chat. And let's get this winner found out right now. I'm going to pin a message. You guys spam the chat. I'm going to pin a message to the top of the screen. And if your message is pinned to the top of the screen, you win. You either get the medium, you get the large, or you get to pick somebody who you want, the medium or the large shirt. So we got the spam going across the screen right now. We are going to be picking a winner. If you already won a shirt, you cannot win 2 shirts, just to let you know. We are going to be picking a winner in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Got him. What do we got right here? We've got DD214 is the winner, man. DD214 is the winner. DD214 already won a shirt. So DD214, man, completely up to you. DD214, do you want to pick somebody else? Do you want me to pick? Because I know you already got a shirt, DD214. So what's the word, man? Again, dude, you're the winner again. So what's the word? Do we pick? You pick somebody else that wears a medium or large, or am I picking again, man? What's happening here? Let's see what it is. Well done, DD214. Yes, man. We know Samantha wants one. Fairground probably wants one. John J wants one. Does anybody actually wear a medium or large to make this easy on DD214? Very few people, man. If you see a diamond next to their name, they've got one. And I know a lot of people in here have shirts already. So if you guys actually wear a medium or want a medium or large shirt, you can make it easy on DD214, or DD214 can take away the responsibility and let me pick again if he wants, whatever he wants to do. So let's just see. New green knit, possibly. Keith, yes. Keith, you've already got a shirt, though. Let's see what else we got. Large for Chris. Let's see if DD214 wants the responsibility. You got Samantha. Chris says large. Fairground says large. Instead of a Happy New Year's, you say Happy Pika. That could do very well. John J, yes. I wouldn't mind saying Happy Pika. Let's see what DD214 is deciding there. What's he got? Got. DD214 is going to pick. Let's see. The pressure's on, man. The pressure's on. DD214, what's the word, dude? Where are we at? Let's see here. You pick, Clay. All right. You know what I'm going to do? We're going to, spam it again, guys. Spam it again. If you, listen, hopefully you're only spamming this time because it is already 1 o'clock. If you want the medium or large, right? If you want the medium or large, spam real quick, and I will be picking to see who gets this one. But let's see what we got here, and we're gonna be spamming. Are you guys going? Yes. Okay, there you go. You are going. Are you guys ready for this? And We got Samantha in the chat on that one. Samantha in the chat on that one. Let's see what Samantha, you can, well, actually, Samantha's thing that says this, she can wear a medium. All right, so Chris did not win. We're getting very close to the end here with Chris and Fairgrounds basically being the only guys left that seems like they can wear a large shirt. So they may be in. Samantha, the winner on that one. Samantha, let's see here. Outdoor Smile. Thank you very much for the super chat. Samantha, yeah, your name's at the top of the screen. You did win on that one. Here's the thing. If you can either send me a message, because I know you're on TikTok, right? So you can send me a message on TikTok. You can send me a message on Twitter if you want to follow me on Twitter, or you can join the Discord and send me a message there. Simply going to need reminded that you can wear I think medium, you said. Medium, and where you want me to send it to. And then, honestly, guys, it does look like we are getting very, very few that can wear mediums and larges left. So I think that everybody actually might be able to get a shirt here pretty soon. So, Samantha, if you want a medium shirt, please just message me on TikTok's actually probably going to be easiest for you to message me on. Live in California, is it too far? No. California is not too far. I am not going to drive it to you, but I will absolutely send it to you. Anywhere in the United States. Anywhere in the United States is good to go. So, yes, and then Fairgrounds, man. Fairgrounds, you and Chris, you probably got a pretty good chance of getting one tomorrow, man. Anybody, in Abos probably has a pretty good chance at getting one as well. Yes, Cali is off the map. Oh, no, Cali is still on the map. We're good to go. Nice, Samantha. Have a hot dog with a little dip action and then some shove action and a little lick and stick action. We peel that banana, you tilt the head back, you lick it, and you stick it. And then a little authorized hydration on Patrick right there. Pat, man. Thank you very much for the super chat. Loving it, Patrick. Rigged. Guys, how is it rigged when you have already won shirts? I do not know. California isn't even American. Well, I guess it might be in terms of what the post office is willing to ship to. All right, guys, nonetheless, it is after 1 o'clock. We're going to get off here for now. We will be back with videos tonight. No live stream this afternoon. Please watch the videos tonight. I didn't rig it. No, you did not, Samantha. Nonetheless, guys, if you, please, listen, views are drastically down. So my channel, anybody else's channel, between the 46 of us in here, please do not be afraid to support these channels. Watch the videos, click the like button, all of that good stuff. Anybody that's doing stock market, cryptocurrency market, finance videos right now, yeah, guys, don't make Samantha feel bad. She's only been in this live stream like 2 or 3 times, so please don't make Samantha feel bad. But just watch the videos, mine and everybody else's included, or let them play on a tablet if you guys got tablets, all that good stuff. But we'll do the shout-outs, guys. We'll be back with videos tonight at 7 p.m., videos at 8 p.m. Appreciate every single one of you guys. Pika, Patrick, man, thank you for the memberships. Thank you very much for the super chats. Loving it. Outdoor Smile, thank you for the super chats as well. And I'm telling my mom and dad on the Outdoor Smile. Nonetheless, guys, Honda, man, shout out to you, Mr. Simon, Pika, Honda, Chris, Fairground. We got J-Bones, man, Honda, Florida, Texas, straight up. Yes, well, California counts for shipping, guys. Outdoor Smile, man. See you later. Abos, and enjoy your day. King Mamba, enjoy your day. 1776. We got Hangover, 775 Hangover, Old Rounder, bro, baby, I love it. Pika, man, enjoy your day. Fairground, Richie Rich, see you later. Is Bitcoin, yeah, Bitcoin's still sitting right around where it was, 16,600. Pudgy, man, enjoy us. We got Honda, or enjoy us. What is happening with me and Pudgy now? I don't even know it. Enjoy your day, Pudgy, not enjoy us, dude. Honda, take care as well. DD214, thank you very much for winning and picking somebody else there. 1776, peace out of the diamond-handed grapes, baby. Honda, enjoy it. Fairground, 775, Pudgy, and the diamond-handed snakes as well. Honda, Samantha, thank you. I can give it to one other and new because no, Samantha, you won it. You won it. I don't care what these boys are saying, all right? You won it. Message me and you get it, all right? Simple as that. Message me and you get it. Doesn't matter what these boys are saying. Please message me and I got you taken care of, Samantha. J-Bones, Pudgy, man, see you later. Mr. Simon, 1776, Pika, Outdoor Smile, Pudgy, man, see you later. Plus, these boys have already won those shirts. No worries, no worries. King Mamba, enjoy your day, dude. Honda, 775. All of you guys, you know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day.